DJT Stock Analysis Tuesday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Right, Trump Media stock, Trump Media and Technology sitting at 29.60, and from what I can see, it just continuously just climbing higher and higher, and that's actually phenomenal price action. Obviously, election day is coming and whatnot, but with DJT, the main way that I'm approaching this market is looking to take it even higher. Now, this never came into my demand area, so it kind of just started to pick up without me, which it's not wrong. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm still only gonna buy if the rules are met. And if they're not, I'm not. There's no business of me. Like, I'm not doing anything of it, and I'm not gonna touch it, whatever. So when you stick to a strategy that you've refined over 30,000 times, you're just invincible. Now, honestly, yeah, do your own due diligence. Please don't listen to me. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, it's a free course below. Click it out. Check it out.